morning, good afternoon, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. We're back. It's Thursday. We're ready to go. Got a Dr. Pepper today. The reason we're starting with a Dr. Pepper today is because I did not realize I took the last Powerade yesterday. So I am fresh out. So this I need to fix. What's up, guys? Good morning, Discipline. Good morning, Scott B, Broda, Lance, AC, Gerard. What's up? Trying to get this camera zoom correct. There we go. Good to roll. Music's rolling. Get it louder. I literally got to the desk at like 8. What's up, Snacks? Yeah, I hope everybody's good.
PRTY.
You guys take any trades yet? Or no? Only thing you're thinking about is drugs. Okay. I see how it is. Yeah. Gainer list looks pretty weak. Let's see what we got. Drug. Yeah, it's up. Looks okay. Market's up 0.6% today. So we held the drop off for now.
BULZ.
Long drugs. Yeah. Yeah, that was tough. AMC was tough. And especially the way you trade, it's kind of harder in pre-market. The moves are a bit more violent. Let's see what we got. Hey, good morning, Timothy. Welcome in. Thanks for being here. Good to see you. Did you find me through Twitter or did you find me through YouTube? I'm always curious if which traffic method that newer subs are finding me. Hey, what's up, Potsy? Good morning.
SMMT.
It happens. It happens next. What's up, Florida? What's up, Davin? Good morning. Welcome in. We're not saying the cursed word today about Thursday, but it is Thursday. There we go. Hey, Fernurky. No Wordle. You can't beat me to it today. So I found something cool for us. Thank you. Use trade ideas, YouTube. Okay, sweet. Yeah. Davin found me through TKE. Okay, TKE is cool. We started trading around the same time. We have a similar style, I think. So Mick had the idea that we do a fantasy. Yeah, I'm on every day, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. for trading, and I found this last night to where you can like create your own games and create like a start and an end date. And I was thinking like maybe we do this weekly. And I invited him just to show him like what I had going up, but like we at the beginning of the week we choose like maybe 3 large caps, 3 small caps, and like an OTC, and see who gets the best percentage return by the end of the week. Or maybe dollar return. I don't know what we would win, but sounds fun. I'm just now like in the beginning thought processes of this brainchild, but this seems really fun. And it can be a fun, you know, community interactive thing to do. Every week we set our lineups, and then at the end of the week we get to see who the winner is. I don't know what we would win. I don't know if I can like gift a sub to a specific person. I don't think it'll let me do that. I think all the gifted or memberships, all the inner circle memberships either have to be bought directly or gifted randomly. It's commons, yeah, no options. And I put no shorting either, so only trying to get the best gain long. But it has OTC, NASDAQ, NYSE, everything. And it started you out with a net worth of 100 grand, and I don't know if we need to do like who has the greatest net worth or what. We'll figure it out. Seems very cool though. One second, guys, I'll be right back.
VLON.
All right. So does that seem like something you guys would be interested in? I think it could be cool if we set it up the right way. We need to set up rules. I don't know if I can set up like, I wish there was a way that I could just like fill it in like fantasy football. Like you have your, because that was the original idea, was, you know, to have your large caps and then your small cap spots and then your OTC spot. And whoever had the biggest percent gain at the end of the week was the winner. Well, I guess it would have to be dollar amount because like the large caps, well, no, it could be either way. But I think that's what I'm going to go with.
LGBN.
That's what this is.
STBX. BDRY.
There's another one called Fantasy Finance. Drug was the play so far. Yeah. I can tell it's slow right now. That's why I'm not even really looking. Yeah, I mean, there's a couple things here, but they all seem like the same thing. Like you get 100 grand or whatever, and then yeah. I don't think anything's gonna be set up the way that I see it in my head. Could be a good idea though. CBio just announced special dividend of $143 a share. There's a gap fill over 205. Can you explain why there's no Momo? Let's look. So it's to the shareholders, close of business September 6th. So it may be like a slower move up to that instead of being like short-term momentum. So as long as they're holding on September 6th, they get the payment of 143. Maybe the catalyst is just a fuzz too far out for it to have like momentum instead. And actually, I mean, look at the daily. What in the world? This one's had a weird daily. So gap down, algo trend, I guess, and then gap up and algo trend up. So it's actually right at a gap right now. So maybe it, you know, works its way into the gap the next few days, running up to the dividend. What's it called? The date, the record date. Yeah, record date. But yeah, this thing's actually been trending nicely. It's been very low volume, but trending from 1 to 2 in the past couple months. Looks like it doesn't get much action. But it's right at the bottom of the gap. So you might see it work its way up through over the next week and a half for a potential swing. Let's look at the other gainers real quick. That's not right. Nope. Don't want to see that either. The top two gainers are 20 cents. This is the beautiful chart of the third top gainer. Oh my gosh. I hope Drug has a better chart than this. So yeah, Drug. Looks okay. It's a little bit of an ascending this morning on the 1 minute. It's not perfect. Guess just go right there.
EXK.
So there's your 1 minute ascending on drug. Where did Neptune end up going? So if you guys remember, Neptune yesterday was my number one play at open. Right here. It started to break out, failed. Went to the 200, hammered above. I was playing it right here. I was like, oh my gosh. It hammered above, closed the candle above the 200. It's going to be great. Fail. Went down to no man's land, or roughly no man's land, which I thought. But if you looked way back on the chart, it was kind of a support level. Went back down to there. Straight back up to 310. All the way down to 250 again, under 250. They halted it up. And then it traded sideways for a bit and ran all the way to like 380. So this one was a very, very weird runner. Right here, they broke it below the trend line and everything. And then they halted it up. So, I mean, pretty standard 2022 action, I guess you could say. Makes sense to me.
BVPR.
If SIGA doesn't recover today, it's going to drop to under 20. Or at least 220. Actually was shorting this yesterday. This is what got me close to back to green before I went green, was shorting SIGA. It's because the daily chart is looking very weak. Very, very weak. And it was green, but starting to fade, and that's when I took it. I think it was like 2160 I had it. But now we're closed under the 20 EMA on the daily. It's just a consistent downtrend. Very toppy look. I'm sure GovX and the others are about the same way. Actually, it's been worse on GovX. GovX is almost back down to where it started. APDN. APDN's the only one that's holding its gains somewhat respectfully. This actually doesn't look terrible. If it can continue, you know, setting itself up here, it could be like a liquidity blow off over 7. So that'll be definitely something to watch. Could be in the coming days, though. It doesn't have to be today. But as long as we hold this steady up trend and break through that 7 range, it could have a run to 10. With how volatile this thing's been and with how much volume it's had. Interesting. Very interesting. So we'll see. Closed over the 200 again. So it's been holding the 200 today. I mean, it could come up to 6. It could still hang around in this range. It's got a few more days left in this pattern to stay where it's at. But over 7. Not bad. Today is MRSN and Gurn Day. Where am I called? Oh, yeah. MRSN tried yesterday. Ended up closing like right on the $8 level. Imagine it has a red candle today. Just, you know, some classic 2022 action. You come up here, close at 8, then you have the red candle here, and then Friday is the day it breaks through. John BKSY awarded 1.7 NASA contract. Okay. When was that? Oh, it was right at 8 o'clock. Okay. First call order with 1.7. Okay. Dr. Neil Patrick Harris. So 50 SMA, there's a little bit of resistance EMA SMA wise through here. 230s. Above 235, 240 should be magnet 250 if it gets going. Hasn't really had much action on it though. I feel like there's not much action to be had all day so far. Got to get through this guy, clearly. GERN looks very similar, you know, about the same scenario. Now, GERN looks like yesterday had the day that I was just talking about that MRSN could have. It went down at the breakout level, but then it hammered up. So today should be the day on a GERN. Through 240, maybe get a 260 to 275 push. But yeah, this is the exact candle I was talking about. Get right up to the breakout. You think it's going to be the day, and it has the red candle down. At least it got some end of day, you know, push up. Sava has another CEO. Let's see. Yeah, Sava just doesn't give up, huh?
MNMD.
So it's at 28.50 right now, so it's about where it wicked at. The high day from yesterday. It looks like it wants 30 again. This one's been a volatile stock forever. Like, as long as I can remember, it's just been crazy. Like, even back 2019, it had huge weeks. It's crazy. Well, we burned 30 minutes almost. 8:30 news comes out in about 3.5 minutes. Hopefully get something fresh then, my God. I'm not trading KPRX or Moho, that's for sure.
GPS.
That looks terrible. So it's got to be drug. Drug's the only setup right now. Hey, Michael. Good morning. Yeah, if nothing comes out at 8:30, I see drug breaking this. Oh, it's GDP numbers today?
GOTU.
Oh, quarter over quarter, second estimate. Does that mean that it's the actual GDP? And PCE prices. Okay, we'll look at that.
ICLK.
Jobless claims due. All right. So I'll call that out when I see it.
NXE. JHG.
Oh, we still got a minute left. I thought it was almost 8:30. I'm gonna put SPY down here and drug up in the tradable spot. Because I am almost confident that this is gonna get the action if nothing fresh comes out at 8:30 to take the spotlight.
HLN. GRFS.
Let me know if you see it first on whatever that website was that you made me sign up for, and I forgot what it was. All right, 8:30 news.
MULN. KABL.
Nothing phenomenal, I see. Just trying to fall out of pattern though. All right, Q2 preliminary GDP minus 0.6%, so just slightly worse. Oh, slightly better, okay. Okay, prices spot on. Price is spot on, okay.
CCL.
So the estimate was actually better than the forecast. Okay, cool, sweet. So this this dip should get bought up.
PACB.
U.S. jobless claims negative 2K to 243K in August. So the jobless claims are down. So that means people are getting their jobs back. I'm reading that right. Yep, so the GDP better than expected. Retail sales, no, real final sales plus 1.3, so better than expected. Same, better. So everything was better. So I fully expect a SPY bounce here. Unless we're just in opposite world.
JAGX.
Okay. Are you gonna bounce now? Drug.
NLSP.
Thought for sure this would catch if nothing came out. Trying to be patient and not jump the gun here. I have no idea. KVL? Yeah, I have no idea.
ACHR.
Oh, Biddy Vapor wins merit case against FDA. I don't know why I didn't get the news on that. Man, I was hoping for a better push off the bounce here. We're on VWAP. Like a minute left on the candle. You guys know I hate just holding and hoping that we get volume and we get a reversal. I want to play the reversal. I want to be the reversal, you know? But a little bit of action, but it got absorbed right there. Okay, there we go. Got to remember, we're in August of 2022. Things happen a little slower. I really don't want to get smashed on, though, is the thing. 15 seconds left in this candle. As long as we close right here, I think I'm good. Okay. Can it push back up now? I'm going to risk like 2 cents on this. Where are the buys at? This is like the best setup all morning. There's like no volume at all. Where did it go? Okay, there's a bidder. There's my hero. Not falling for the double and down trick though. Okay. I want to see, give me a little bit of action here. Back 232, 233. Bruh. I don't care if it's slow grounding up to 250. Just, launch pad me off of my average, please, at first. That's not good. That's not good. Old trade station, baby. My order in or is my order out? Please don't screw me. Trade station. Yep, I'm gonna have to do a little reset here in a minute. I can feel it. Okay, it sold me like literally 1 minute after I put my order in. I still like the setup. Don't like when I'm not able to sell though.
XSPA. YSG.
Your old nemesis. Yeah, it's gonna go now that I'm out. Same thing happened about a week ago. Trade station did this. Yeah, I've been watching that. I've got it on my watch list still. AKLI for a bounce.
Heads.
Oh, this is so annoying. I hate this broker sometimes, man. Can't stand it. Cannot stand it. But I do not want to leave it. Because I'm so used to it. I'm gonna have to get JD's freaking trade station code to reset everything every day. Just get booted like you, yeah, I hear you. Nerve and MVTA. Yeah, Nerve doesn't look terrible right here. Needs through probably like 720. Yeah, I don't know why Drug's so slow all of a sudden.
SVM.
Yeah, this is moving like in slow motion. It's like a snail. Where is the volume at? Nerve looks like it needs over 720.
KAVL. DTSS.
Man, KVL really just going, huh? Yeah, I don't know how I missed that news. I see it right there. I just looked right over it. Yeah, it may be the offering. It was moving fast the day of the offering, which is weird, but you could be right. All right, so I guess KAVL was the news at 8:30 that spoiled Drug, and I just missed it.
MNMD.
Yeah, that's probably what it is. I forgot about the offering. So SPY's trying to bleed right now. I mean, I guess it is up 0.4% already today.
AMST.
Another classic 2022 August morning. I mean, it's just super slow, no follow through, no breakouts. Is what it is, I guess. SPY, maybe give it a 415 test. So KAVL on the daily. Got room to 210. So just gonna do it all within the first what, 10 minutes of the PR?
ONTX.
Not really interested in chasing this SI, but it's got good action so far. A little slow down there at 190. But right back up. Don't know if I trusted enough to buy all the way up here when I could have had this consolidation zone of 170. Big refresh here. I don't know why it's not showing me the volume. Weird.
GSRM.
So big short refresh 190 / hidden wall, whatever you want to call it. I can't see the volume traded there for some reason. I don't know why, but they loaded 190.
NCMI, KPRX.
You guys see anything else? Because, I mean, I'm just kind of chilling. Glad you guys are here this morning. Appreciate it. Thanks for commenting. Thanks for the likes. Thanks for just hanging out. Thanks to all my members of the inner circle. We're almost to that 25 goal. I think we can get there. Just chilling. I feel you. So that really got soaked 190. Look at the red volume that came in. Straight up, straight down so far. LaQuisha. Yeah, LaQuisha might show its face again today.
FRSX.
Drug's still hanging around here, just being insanely slow. Little bounce on KAVL. Yeah, dreaming of September. 1 KPRX Trade Rock. 30% profit. Okay. Oh, you lost 30% profit. Is that what you mean? I hope not. Oh, oh, sorry about that. Bad exit, okay. Sheesh. That's tough. Sorry to hear. I haven't done anything. Have not taken anything, discipline. You missed out on 30% profit. Gotcha. Gotcha. Okay. That makes more sense. Drug with a little bit more volume there.
MNSO.
Yeah, drug's starting to move. T35 now.
SSY.
So I am up a little bit now, discipline. I was looking at drug on the other screen. I'm in tiny though. Still needs through 240 though, is the big level, but some volume started to come in, so.
BBBY.
At this point, you know, don't take a loss. Just gonna try to ride it out, see what happens. Still low volume. I mean, only 140K on this 5 minute.
TME.
Okay, AVL looking head and shouldery on the 1 minute, so we all know what that means this year. About to go to high day later. I guess I'll hold on to my position. Just, I really like to see 250 within the next, 5-10 minutes.
SSY.
Could it fail right back down under 230? Abso-freaking-lutely. But I would like to hold out.
MLCO.
This is the big guy right here, 36. Chart looks good though. Chart looks really good. I had the spot down there when Trade Station was screwing around. 227. Still very slow. Very, very slow. There's a little bit of a spike. 1 minute left on this 5-minute candle. It is closing strong, right up near the 240 level. As long as it holds. Okay, bidder's coming up. More consistent volume here. 239, refresh. Okay, 20K ask. I did reduce on that. Got 1,500 shares now. TradeStation did some TradeStation stuff to me, and I am up 7 cents on a trade. That's it. You're caught up. Welcome. Just kind of waiting on this trade to play out. Yeah, I've tried all the other ones. I don't think they're as good. I haven't tried the berry one. Tried the cream soda one. I don't know if I've had vanilla. That actually sounds really good. I didn't like the cream soda one though. Dr. Pepper vanilla? I didn't even know they made that. That was probably my re-add spot right there. We'll see. Okay, now I got 5. Really? We're gonna do that, huh? Come on, drug. This is the spot to re-add. I'm playing it how it should react here. But should react is a thing of the past. Just realized I'm sitting here like Dr. Evil. $1 million.
GSRM.
Expect to go in slow motion again. Oh, baby. From top of the range to bottom of the range. Almost through bottom of the range on one candle. You love to see it. You really do. That's what you live for. You live for fail the top, hit the bottom in one candle. Okay. It's better not have another offering at 9. I'm only holding 1,000 through 9 just in case. Nice little hammer up there, though. Got about 15 seconds left till 9 a.m. Agri got a patent.
FCEL. AERC.
AIHS got a little agreement to lease electric vehicles. That's it.
BLDP.
What are you gonna do, drug? I think I'm asking too much of it, really. It gave a 10-cent move, which is just insanity right now. You're gonna provide any bounce at all. Any bounce at all. Come on now. Just get me above my average, please. Holy. Okay, okay, okay. Come on. Come on. This is like watching paint dry. It's killing me. Plug Amazon news. Okay, must be higher than my price range parameter. All right, I'm out. Whatever. It can go without me if it wants. Let's look at plug Amazon news.
MNMT.
Sheesh. F-cell following. Big rippage there. 31.25, 31.30. Yeah, that's a little bit higher than my news parameter. I think my news parameter is set on 20 and below. That's big. That's big. Amazon basically said, Plug, you're my guy. Let's do this thing. Let's get green together. That's huge. Oh, man. Yeah, usually $30 stocks don't move like this, but damn. FCEL was a little delayed. I tried to scalp it and it just didn't want to go for a second. Plug was up all morning. Was it on the SPY gap up or did someone know? Someone always knows. It's whether they get caught knowing.
AMST.
Are you still holding it like $20? Like a core? Please tell me you are. Okay, I just saw it. Silly me, close plug. Gotcha.
CYBN.
Well, you got $4 on FCEL, so I mean you're up 20% right here at 480. Yep. Yeah, that's excellent. SPI. Now, is SPI still worth anything after they spun off the PEV? Like, what do they do now? Are they just solar? China solar? Because they were EV, but the EV portion spun off into PEV. All right. Let's see. Let's pull up Bitcoin real quick. Look at MEXC Global. So, looking a little bear flag-ish, but Bitcoin, like every time it gaps down like that, it likes to just kind of swoop its way back up, just like right here. Gap down, swoop its way back up. So, you know, it can grind its way back up, but if it starts making, you know, a lower low and gets below like the 27 level, it's probably cooked down to 20 at least. So we'll see. We'll see. It's been grinding though. It grinded its way back up this far. So, I mean, sure, it could have a big stick, box it right back up to 22, 23, and then it's right back in it. Ethereum. Same thing. You know, slower gap down than Bitcoin had, but just grinding its way back up. You know, higher low, higher low, higher low. Higher, high, 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 which is a rising wedge, which is a bearish pattern. But you know how crypto and like, I would say the overall, like these are almost like the SPY and the QQQ of the crypto market. So you can't hold them down forever and they won't go up forever. But overall, they're made overall to go up, roughly.
WIMI.
But if you guys do want to trade crypto
AMCR.
and are interested in getting into crypto, you can go to this link right here. Sign up for an account. and start trading up to 1,500, I think, plus cryptos on MEXC Global. And they also have up to 125 times margin on futures. That's extremely risky to go all the way 125, but I mean, if you use a small amount and you go 125x, then you can potentially make good gains, especially if you know what you're doing. And I've noticed that crypto likes to hold technical analysis for the most part. You know, bearish patterns usually break down, bullish patterns usually break up, levels usually get respected. Plug just doing the damn thing.
BFRI.
Hey Mick, good morning. I was showing the little idea that you had earlier today before you showed up on, you know, picking the stocks. We're gonna have to set up rules, and we're gonna have to figure out, like, is the winner just bragging rights or what? But we'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. It'll be pretty cool.
EPOW. Jenny.
There's your CBio action, a little bit, nothing crazy, but I can't remember who asked the question earlier, but CBio pushing 204 now. I don't think it's going to get crazy momentum off of that, but it could. You know, it's got a catalyst now in stone, and it's got, you know, upward action already, so.
MTC.
So plug. Got some res in 31s. Above 32, 32.20 gets, it opens up a lot. 35. Yeah, plug. I think the float is high. Doesn't matter though when you got Amazon in your headline.
GOHBI, SJST, WBD, AMC, NXY, REV,
Hold on one second.
ADN. RHE.
All right, let's hit up Wordle. Now I'm gonna go feed the dogs. Start out strong. The stonk word. Okay. can't think of a word with O in the middle without N next to it.
CYBN.
N. Could it start with an N? I guess it could.
TTCF.
It can't be SN.
NGD.
No. I'd love to get it on the third word right here.
SSY.
It could be OIN.
AMST.
I don't think that's a word, right? No. I'm just trying crazy words right now.
SSY.
Oh my gosh, I thought I had it there for a second.
Pet.
Clown, is it a word? No. No. Dlown. Glown. No. What? I'm such a blank for not getting this right. What an idiot. What an idiot. I knew the C. I was trying to see a second ago, too. Come on.
LFC.
Gold miner, you're pretty good at this, too. Good job. Oh, man.
TGB. ACH.
All right. Give me
ADTX.
2-3 minutes, maybe up to 5 minutes, and I will be right back.
AERC. SSY. KPRX. CYBN. NCMI. ACOR. AGTC. KABL.
All right.
NTCL.
What do we got? Anything? SSY, a little action. Okay, you think we're gonna get a little meme push this morning? Gold miner?
RNLX.
They did gap a little.
OILD.
Doesn't look terrible. ARRY. Yeah.
TTCS.
Looks like a slower one, but yeah, that's the Daily flag. Maybe a push from 22 up. It's already over 22, so sitting right about here.
CRG.
Maybe a good day for it. And then MRSN, Gurn.
CRG. ABAH. Sense.
KAVL. Little bounce from No Man's. It looks like a trap candle. So it's a 1 minute trap. Fading off. Big knife to kind of kill the play, be done, and then it never went 1 cent lower. So now it's trapped up. So it's showing you the kind of action it's going to have today, intraday. Top real gainer. This is a 75% gainer on a 23-cent stock. So it's up like 3 cents, but SSY at 35%. NEPT back down to the trend line this morning. Maybe get a ramp off of that.
INTR.
MBTA daily set up for a push higher. I want to see some real action today. No screwballing around. Give us a real push on something. Like this was the best move yesterday, and look how ugly. Just look how god-awful ugly this action was. Cosm had an Amazon headline. Basically, they're just pushing their products on Amazon now, so. I could go sell on Amazon.
Here. HLN.
The question is, are they selling spring-loaded utility knives or whatever that TBLT was? Automatic reloading magazine utility knives.
NBTA.
Bark Daily. Yeah, look at that. So maybe do a handle day and then push. Unless you're talking, oh, you're talking this. Okay.
ACB.
Yeah. So it's there. Maybe a push to the 200 in the coming days. MVTA pre-market low, NERV pre-market low, NEPT pre-market, pretty much pre-market low right here. All right, we got about 10 seconds. Here we go. Good luck.
HYLN. Very APRX, AVDL, ZTAPRX, KABL, SGML, AMSTUETCOM, APYX, KABL,
Okay, so
HDSN, DXLG, TMCI,
yeah, NEPT's right on the trend line. KVL, little bounce.
SCBL, Biggs, HUYA, CBIO, CBIO, MOHO, Frey, USAS, SKM, REVB, HARD, FTFT, DFH,
So that whatever account just sub to my YouTube just to type that in there. Great, cool.
KPRX, PHG, DNOW, CIFR, TAL,
Yeah, KPRX is the 25-cent stock. I'm not interested in that in any way.
BZ, Cressy, BACC,
Oh my God, look at drug.
STNT,
Look how freaking ugly that is. That is disgusting.
DL,
Patterns just don't exist in this market. Ascending triangle, fail, fail, down to no man's land. And then just straight up it open through. I hate it. I really do. I hate it.
AXTI, SVM, RMO, PHRX, GURE, Frey Plus, KPRX, UROY,
Well, the 20-cent stock is getting pushed really hard apparently because it is really going. The old EYEG.
SMFRW, CAPR, BACC, Momo, JT, Billy,
Yeah, KVL, little pop and drop there.
HTY,
It's trying to hang on to 160.
YSG, KPRX, SILJ,
Market kind of bleeding a little.
RHE, Tall, KPRX, HYLN, NVGS, Frey, DNOW,
Why? Why does this happen? Pure nonsense. Yeah, nice little weather push there. Where'd the apron go, Sing? Market lows here.
CBAT, PULM, CH,
Yeah, screw drug, man. You can't play patterns anymore. You just can't. I mean, had a perfect ascending triangle. Perfect pattern. Broke it, and then just out of the gate straight up. So stupid.
VOXX, PSDN, IHD, on,
Whoa. Yep, there it goes. Just straight up rippaging.
TLW, NVGS, TCRT, KAVL, CDRB, DNOW, HIMX, DLNG, FLCH, YSG,
There she goes. Hive day.
KAVL, BZUN, KAVL, TAL,
KAVL with the swoop from the bottom here. Looks like I had a little trappy trap candle right there.
UYRX, HAR, KAVL, DNOW, Drug,
Yep, just gotta grab what looks like a full fail.
PLAB, Drug, CCNC, USD, STA,
NEPT off the trend line. Could have taken that, I guess. It was at 292 or something, but yesterday it absolutely boned me. I'd open. It dropped from 299 to 250.
KLNE, MDXH, SUNW, TSRI, UROY, Drug, Co, Crit, FCA, DNOW, KAVL, GGTD,
Buy Sun W to open is the best strat. Nice.
BZ, PBTS,
I got GERN on one of my other charts, bro. They're watching it. See if it breaks this 240. MRSN looks like it's gonna have the red pullback day though. Right now, at least. Yeah, drug and NEPT straight up, man. Get out of here. Look at this, $3.
Co, Crit, ONG, KAVL, Karu, KPRX,
Big breakout. Big ascending triangle fail breakout. NEPT would have been a little better though. You could have traded that off the trend line. Made pretty good on it.
DNOW, PSDN,
Not really seeing much I like so far, guys. Really not. Drug may get the 375 to 5 move today. Who knows? Could be.
KPRX. STKL.
It's a wild daily, I know that.
REI. Cuba. EOSE. ICDH. YGMZ. Lumo. GIPR. STAM.
I'm just being patient and conservative right now. No need to force anything. I don't see any setup I even remotely like.
KPRX. PULM. PULM. GHM. AUID. OBSV. ABYA. ATXI. ABYA. TDCX. MIGI. BATE. DNOW. KPRX. AVYA. ATXI.
ABYA looking strong. Let's pull it up. Anything but drug. Oh yeah, looking real strong. It's gonna buy KPRX and pre-market 19. Thought it would fade quickly. Yeah, I hate those price target. I hate price target plays. But it had a nice push it open. It really did.
Hippo. Maya. Land.
Any RV breaking down. You got 271 on drug, okay. Looks like a pattern to me, and that terrifies me. KVL, another bounce from nonsense land. Just, I guess this is the new demand zone. 162, 163.
WKSP. UXIN.
Wet grandmas on the scanner.
KPRX. CCJ. JNPR. PBTS. KPRX.
What did I say about Siga? I wish I would have had this move yesterday when I was short. Look at that. Just straight death out the gate.
BGFC. PIRS.
Yeah, that'd be a sick move. You can get that.
KPRX. PPBT.
Yep, just don't let it flush on you.
PFHC. TLSA. FWY. HPK. KABL.
NEPT straight up today off the trend line. Should have bought it this morning, but yesterday's action kept me out of it. Thought we'd go down to 240 and then bounce if it was the same as yesterday.
PSDN.
Okay. I'm not holding anything. I'm all cash. I rarely ever hold swings, and especially not in this market.
Misaku.
So Neptune is on its way to Neptune. Drug.
KABL.
Looks like it's on drugs.
Zeta. Figs.
Something will break out and give me a little more confidence, but I mean, they're pushing up a little, but they're not really breaking out.
HPK.
This was just a stupid move out the gate.
KTRA. Cody. KABL.
You should, JD. Yell at him. Yell at him for me too.
BLBD. KABL.
NEPT 340s now.
UYM. Figs. JF rap. JFU rap. Alna. RPIDT. NEPT. LMPX. HDSN. EDAP.
God, NEPT. So annoying.
TCOI. LGHL. ATXI.
In Microsoft Paint we trust.
JNPR. HDSN. SPCB.
Okay, drug didn't break out.
KABL.
KBL stuck in a 10-cent range.
SIOX. MP. IBRX. SLNO. KPRX. CTO.
If it looks like it's going to fail, then it's absolutely go time. Yep. If it looks like a death candle, it is go time, baby.
SIOX.
Time for the rippage. The old Skippy Rippy on the death candle.
DNOB.
That's what we live for. There it is. Here comes High of Day.
KPRX. JNPR.
Good job. You're at your scale zone, though.
BRC.
You're at your scale zone. May want to let it breathe, you know, and see if it pops through High of Day, but...
Drug.
There it is. $3. Good job. Good job. I don't blame you.
Sire.
We gotta love trap moves, man. Thank God you held through it.
CNTX. JNP. Valve. DLNG. Clayco.
NEPT slowing down.
BBNKNK. GGGGT. RZLT. Nile. KABL. JNPR. ATXI. DLNG. GBR. Staff.
Yep, by holding hope, baby.
XBIT.
Offerings are good in 2022. Absolutely. Yeah. Don't even think twice about it. Yeah, I was thinking today was going to be the move too. Trading it right here. Beautiful pattern. Beautiful pre-market setup. Ascending triangle.
KABL.
Fail. Opening nonsense. By holding hope. But you did it right. I mean, you even held through the death candle.
Indeed.
Ooh.
LGFA.
Well, now what? Now what?
AVYA. ENTX. HAP. AMST. AVYA. UROY. BRCC.
Why did plug sell off so bad, Broda?
KABL. INAB. RZLT.
Just the market. Market's ripping now, though. It ain't doing anything. Market's exploding down here. Yeah, this is the spot, I think.
SGHT. AVYA. DVAX. SIOX.
I don't see why it hasn't like exploded over 30 right this second.
KABL.
It's trying to go low of day. I got some. I took 1,000 here. I'm risking low of day. Something's acting odd with it though. Yeah, it's gonna come get me. No way. Market is straight up right now.
IMUX. KABL. SANW. KABL.
Yeah, how's this thing not over 30 right now?
Frequency.
Next 1 minute candle should be the breakout. Or fail. And with SPY literally on the moon right now, surely it's a push to over 30.
SLRX. AVYA. WFRD.
Neptune on Neptune.
KABL.
What is you doing, plug?
MBIO. ISSC.
Go over 30 now.
STAF. STAF. FWP. HDSN.
Market is exploding.
NDNO. ACRS.
It's trying its best to come get me. How is this happening? Squeeze them.
Oust.
It's trading like freaking AMC right now.
Chiat. KW.
There we go. Here's 30.
Frequency.
Look at the market though.
WB. ACHL. QFIN. Chow. EWM.
I want freaking VWAP out of it at this point. With the market's gonna halt up over here.
GOL.
Yeah, it's looking better. Still struggle busting though.
XFOR. XPP. SCBL. NEXI. PSIL. BZUN.
Bro, the market is exploding.
PULM.
How is this not up?
Choppy Plus.
I got my stop. Do I move it up? No, not yet. I'm gonna put my stop at the higher low.
HRT.
Go.
TTCF.
Look at this. Insanity. My voice just went up like 12 octaves, but
WEBL.
it's okay.
Momo.
Okay, I'll check it out here in just a minute. I want to make sure that this isn't going to screwball me here. Guess I'll move up to 80. Oh my god, right when I start to move up. Do I take my $170 and just roll? Like, what's going on here?
ACHL PSINDS. KTEC. Tall.
Yeah, I'm trying not to be, but I mean, look at the range of this. And look at, this is my indicator. This is what I'm watching. If SPY starts to look weak, I'll roll. But look at this. But you're speaking good words. Don't be greedy.
Momo. BIOC. JUPW. FHNC. TCOM. CTO. SONG.
What is up with this selling pressure?
ASXC. BZ.
I always sell out of these heavy ones when this happens.
MDWD. AVYA. CHN. JFU. Philly. MDWD.
Come on, plug.
EMF.
Okay, we're holding on. Yeah, once this like high low swoopity swoop ends, I'm out. But SPY literally, I mean, launched a rocket ship from Cape Canaveral over here.
MTC.
Yeah, I think this one's just gonna, it's like a train. It's trying to get its wheels moving right now for some reason.
BIOX. Tall.
Had fantastic news.
XPP.
Surely this big thing doesn't do trap candles.
FXLV. UXIN. LU.
Just keep holding. SPY's still holding strong. Partner with Amazon, up 9% on the day.
JFU.
It's got pre-market range.
NBNO. UZ.
But it still looks like it's going to fail.
AIZN.
I want to sell so bad right now. I really do. But I've been thinking in this mentality of it's August, it's 2022, things are happening slower. Just be patient. Be patient. Get a 1 minute candle close over 30.10 would be fantastico.
FXLV. AZRE. QLI.
Market is still on the moon.
CEPU.
Come on, baby. It's really testing my patience here. Back under 30.10 again. Give us a 30.10 and over close. Come on. It's going to be red. With 5 seconds to spare. Red candle. I'm out. I'm out. God, I hate this freaking market, dude. Can't stand it. Can't stand it.
NBEV.
Now, I wouldn't be surprised one bit for it to be a green candle up to 30.20 right now. Right this second.
BIPH. SABS.
Crazy.
Tall.
Absolutely crazy. Yeah. I mean, I was playing the play is the reason I was playing it. I was trying to let the play out. On a stock with fantastic news, follow SPY, down at near low of day, huge range, death candle. That's just stupid. It really is. It's freaking stupid.
CDRB, SXTC.
Gotta go play freaking Neptune and Drug. I can't play something with fantastic news that is a market follower.
GANX.
Triggered. And if it truly is a trap candle right here, then, I mean, I could set a stop at 86.
BAOS. Drug.
Oh my God. I'm about to rage quit the market right now.
EVAB.
If I see a trap candle on a 500 million float,
ELA. UMDD. XIN. WBX. QTT. FXLV. MCRB.
is this really happening right now? Like, am I seeing, am I dreaming? Is this a nightmare? Am I being punked? Am I gonna wake up and I'm still in Aruba? I'm just having a really long bad dream. Market-wise, obviously. A lot of good personal things have happened since then.
EPIX. JWEL. Poly.
So stupid. So freaking stupid.
JWEL.
It's not going to go 1 cent lower than this right here. I can already feel it. Unless the market just dies. Thanks for hanging here with me. We're past 10. Not even in a trade. I just want to see this trap candle on a 500 million float with Amazon news that follows the stock market overall, you know, leader of the pack. See if it trap candles.
COSM.
Okay, leg down, bear flag.
Poly.
What is this?
GANX.
Maybe that was the trap candle. Yeah, you have to. Just take it on the fail, yeah. I can't bring myself to do that. I gotta like turn my brain upside down.
PULN. STAF. FENG. PULN.
Freaking crazy, dude.
KTEC. CYRN.
I'll partake in the madness.
XIN.
But I better see like 30, 50 in the next 2 or 3 minutes.
MIO.
Well,
CDRB.
she looking like she wants death right here.
RKY.
What is this thing doing? Next 1 minute better blow the lid off at 30.
CSCW.
With authority.
XVIT.
Here we go. Here's the 1 minute.
Holly. BEPH.
Yeah, go short wish.
TCBX.
It's set up for a squeeze pop here. It's trap candle, hammer candle. Now, it's just trading in a 2-cent range now. Go over 30.
AUTL.
We're close to failing. If this candle closes at lows, it just did. I mean, maybe it's just another trap candle. Short-term trap. But under 80, I am out, and it's gonna happen quick. It looks like. Never playing the stock again if it fails right here. Never ever. Never gonna pull it up again. See ya. Okay, took my stop out before it actually got out, so that's fun. 2022, baby. We're here. We're living in it.
PLAB.
We are living in it.
Yalla. OBSV.
Well, we got 13 more minutes of content in. Another day, baby. Another Trash Thursday, another Breakdown Thursday, another August 2022 day. We're here, though. We'll be here daily, doing it. Living the absolute dream. Appreciate you guys. Thanks for being here, and thanks for the likes, the comments, hanging out. Thanks to my members, my donors. Thanks for all the support, guys. We will be back tomorrow morning for the Friday stream, 8 a.m. See ya. Have a great day.